As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting eerie shadows across the dense forest, a young boy named Timmy stumbled through the thick underbrush. With tousled hair and a small backpack, he looked exhausted and frightened. His voice trembled as he called out, hoping against hope that someone would hear him.
Mom! Dad!
He whimpered, the desperation evident in his voice. Timmy tripped over a root, falling and scraping his knee. He winced in pain but fought back the tears, looking around with wide, fearful eyes.
Is anyone there?
He called out again, his voice barely above a whisper. Suddenly there was a rustling sound from the bushes. Timmy froze, his heart pounding. From the shadows emerged a dark figure, an old woman with tattered clothes and a wooden staff. Her eyes glinted with a strange, mysterious light.
Lost, are we?
She asked in a raspy voice, stepping closer to Timmy.
Yes, I can't find my way home.
The old woman's gaze softened as she took another step towards him.
You're far from home, child. These woods are not safe at night.
Timmy's panic surged.
I need to find my parents!
Raising her staff, the old woman, Agatha, made the tip glow with a soft blue light.
Follow me and I shall guide you.
Timmy hesitated for a moment, but seeing no other option, decided to trust her. Inside Agatha's quaint, cozy cottage, the fire crackled warmly in the hearth. The room was filled with herbs, potions, and ancient books. Timmy sat on a wooden chair, bandaging his knee with a cloth provided by Agatha.
Are you a witch?
Some call me that, but I prefer healer. Care for some tea?
Timmy nodded hesitantly, and Agatha poured a steaming cup, handing it to him. He took a sip and felt a wave of relaxation wash over him.
How did you find me?
The forest speaks to those who listen. It told me a lost soul wandered near.
Thank you.
Agatha took a seat across from him, her expression kind.
Tell me, Timmy, why were you in the forest alone?
I wanted to prove I was brave. My friends dared me to go to the old oak tree, but I got lost.
Bravery isn't about proving yourself to others. It's about knowing when to ask for help.
I guess I was scared they'd think I was a coward.
True courage is facing your fears, not ignoring them. And sometimes, the bravest thing you can do is admit you need help.
Timmy absorbed her words, feeling a sense of comfort and understanding he hadn't felt before. Agatha led Timmy through the forest, the blue light from her staff illuminating their path. They reached the edge of the forest.
I know this place. Thank you, Agatha.
Remember, Timmy, strength comes from within, but it's okay to lean on others. Never let pride lead you astray.
Impulsively, Timmy hugged Agatha. She looked surprised but pleased, patting his back gently.
I won't forget. Thank you for saving me.
Take care, young one.
Timmy ran towards the village lights, looking back once to see Agatha slowly disappearing into the forest. In the village, Timmy's worried parents were speaking to a search party when they saw him. His mother ran to him, enveloping him in a tight hug.
Ooh, Timmy, we were so worried.
I'm sorry, Mom. I got lost.
Just glad you're safe, son.
Timmy looked back at the forest where a faint blue glow was barely visible.
I had help, and I learned something important.
His parents, puzzled but relieved, listened as Timmy smiled, feeling a newfound sense of courage and wisdom. Life lesson. True bravery isn't about taking on challenges alone to prove yourself to others. It's about understanding your limits, knowing when to ask for help, and facing your fears with the support of those who care about you.